Hello there Spybot users, and welcome back to the Safer Networking YouTube channel. My name is Rob from TeamSpybot, and in today's video we'll show you how to use Spybots Quarantine. Let's get started with today's tutorial. When Spybot removes an item that was detected during a system scan, the item is added to Spybots Quarantine. The file is then isolated in an encrypted folder so that it becomes inactive and can no longer cause harm to your PC. The item is not removed completely in case it was mistakenly deleted or is flagged as a false positive. The quarantine allows you to restore items if they were mistakenly deleted, or they can be removed completely from your system. To use the quarantine, open Spybot by right-clicking on Spybot's desktop icon and choosing Run as Administrator, then press Yes when prompted by the user account control. Click on Show Details in the bottom right corner of the Spybot Start Center, then click on Quarantine. Spybots Quarantine will open in a new window. Here it will list all of the items that were detected and selected for removal during a system scan. You can sort items by category by clicking on the drop-down menu or view all products. Each product will show you each detected item related to that category. If you wish to fully remove these items from your PC, you can select each item by clicking the checkbox, then click on Purge Selected. These items will now be completely removed from your system and can no longer be restored. There is also an option to purge old entries, which allows you to choose what items will be removed based on a specific date. If there is an item that was mistakenly removed by the system scan, you can restore the item by ticking the checkbox, then click Restore Selected. The file will be returned to its original location. You can also restore parts of a detected item if you do not want to restore each file that belongs to that product. To do this, right-click on an item, then select Restore Parts. Then choose the file that you would like to restore. The quarantine window allows you to view Spybot's log files by clicking on Show Repair Logs, which will open up the Spybot Logs folder. So that's it for today's video on how to use Spybots Quarantine. I'd like to thank you all for watching and hope that you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any comments or queries, please get in touch by sending an email to teamspybot@spybot.info or by using the request support page in the support center on our website. I've been Rob from TeamSpybot. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe, keep on searching, keep on destroying. See you guys soon.